Hi there. So today's topic we'll be looking at is position of stem. It's teaching how students to remember where the stem should be facing, whether it should be facing upwards, downwards, and which side of the note head it should be drawn on. So I'm going to take an example from my level 1 Stringstastic theory books for violin, viola, and cello. This is also available on the mini books and the graded books. So this is how I would explain this. A note head is like a seed, right? So always draw the seed first. After you draw the seed, there's this stick here. This stick here is called a stem. It's like when you plant a seed, the seed starts growing a leaf or a stem, which is why it's called a stem. I am going to explain in terms of which way it's going to face. So let's look on this music stave. When you have notes from the middle of the stave downwards, the question I am going to be asking is this. Which part of the stave has more space? The top part of the stave or the bottom part of the stave? Now, if you need to draw this out, please do draw it out so that the students can visually see this. And the students is going to answer the top part of the stave. Notice how I said part of the stave. Notice which part of the stave has more space. Top part of the stave, which means that the stem is going to face upwards because it's trying to balance out the space on the stave. So the seeds are going to grow upwards, right? Yes. Okay. That is all I'm going to say about that. Let's look at these notes here. Now, what happens when you have a note, when you have notes from the middle of the stave upwards? Which part of the stave has more space? The bottom part of the stave or the top part of the stave? Bottom part. Which means which direction does the stave grow to even out the space? Bottom. Okay, so the stem grows downwards, right? Brilliant. Now, the next question I'll be asking is this. The seeds, when they grow, they look like letters. You are going to be trying to remember which letter it looks like. It looks like either a P or a D. So depending on which would be helpful. Some, if Malaysians would be remembering Port Dickson, it's a place in Malaysia. Pod, Pon, P. If you notice, the letters are actually hugging inwards. See, the P is hugging inwards, the D is hugging inwards. If they can't remember, always try and remind them, right? Next, let's look at this one here. If you have notes in the middle of the stave, which part of the stave has more space? Top, bottom. Same. Oh, it's the same. If not, count the lines and help them. So because they're equal space, that means the stem does it grow up or does it go down? That means it can go up, it can go down. You decide in terms of if it should grow up and if it should grow down. So that is how you remember in terms of which position or which part the stem grows, whether it goes up and down. So this is how I would explain the position of stem. I hope this is helpful. If you have another way of teaching stems, please do let us know. If you do like this video, please like, subscribe, and share my video. Until next time, see ya.